watching Success Stories. Today's success story is about Google. Google is an American multinational technology company specializing in internet-related services and products. It was founded on 4th September 1998 at Menlo Park, California, United States. It has founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin. The CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Parent organization of Google is Alphabet Incorporated, which has 57,100 employees. Google is a parent company of all these big services. Google was founded in 1996 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University, California. Together, they own about 14% of its shares and control 56% of stockholder voting power through super voting stock. They incorporated Google as privately held company on September 4, 1998. On August 19, Google moved to its new headquarters in Mountain View, California, nicknamed as Googleplex. In the start, they give the Google a name Backrub. Backrub soon became hugely successful and Stafford's servers could not contain the bandwidth needed to support the search engine. In 1997, Page and Brin decided that their Backrub needed a new name, Google, which was derived from the mathematical term Google. Google was getting over 10,000 search engine queries a day even while in beta and considered one of the best search engines around. The first funding for Google was about $1 million from Andy Bechtolsheim, Jeff Bezos, David Charlton, Ram Shriram. Early in 1999, Brin and Page decided that they wanted to sell Google to Excite for $1 million, but they refused to purchase Google. And later on, Google worked so that no one knows about Excite anymore. It was not until early 1999 that Google outgrew their garage office and moved into a proper office in Palo Alto. They now had 8 employees. By the end of 1999, Google servers were busy receiving over 500,000 search queries per day. Google's mission statement from the outset was to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Its unofficial slogan was "Don't be evil." Google's initial release interface designed by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google Services. Google products and services include online advertising technologies, search, cloud computing, software, and hardware. Google Top Services and Products. It is a search engine which is used to search any website or worldwide information provided on internet. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service operated by Google. It allows users to store files in the cloud and share files. Google Play is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. It serves as the official app store for the Android operating system, allowing users to browse and download applications developed. YouTube is an American video sharing website and most of the content on YouTube has been uploaded by individuals. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google, based on the Linux kernel and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Gmail is a free advertising-supported email service developed by Google. Users can access Gmail on the web and through the mobile apps for Android and iOS. Google Earth is a virtual globe, map and geographical information program that was originally called Earth Viewer 3D, created by Keyhole Incorporated, acquired by Google in 2004. Google Earth displays satellite images of varying resolution on the Earth's surface. Google's 2017 Offered Services. Google Future Projects. Google New Smartphones. Google Project of Automatic Car. Google Project ARA. Google Data Center Aerial View. As of 2016, Google owned and operated 9 data centers across the US, 2 in Asia and 4 in Europe. In 2011, the company had announced plans to build 3 data centers at a cost of more than $200 million in Asia, Singapore, Hong Kong and Taiwan. Google had about 1 million servers in their data centers. Google began encrypting data sent between data centers in 2013. Google's most efficient data center runs at 35 degrees Celsius, using only fresh air cooling, requiring no electrically powered air conditioning. Servers run so hot that humans cannot go near them for extended periods. Google One server can manage up to 500 terabytes of data easily. Google Singapore Data Centers. Google is going to build 14 data centers in the world. The Googleplex is the corporate headquarters complex of Google Incorporated and its parent company Alphabet Incorporated. Googleplex is composed of scores of buildings that sprawl across Mountain View, California. There is a statue garden in the main campus area filled with random buzz meant to inspire. This is an effigy of Floyd Bridges to honor his role in 1960s TV show The Hunt. This is the very famous place in Googleplex where many scenes of movie The Internship has been captured. This is perhaps the most famous familiar view of the Google campus, the outdoor cafeteria with colorful umbrellas. Here's the newest statue, Kit Kat Android. There's gingerbread and ice cream sandwich, cupcake and honeycomb. Google's color scheme is primary colors used on everything like these free campus bikes. Employees can use them to ride around the plex. Here is the volleyball court in the center of campus. It was also featured in the movie. Here is one of the micro kitchens located everywhere. Employees don't have to bring their own lunch, much less cook it. You are allowed to eat whatever you want to eat and drink. They get breakfast, lunch and dinner for free at various campus restaurants. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, just passed Apple to become the world's most valuable company. Again, Larry Page's tech conglomerate is now worth about $498 billion compared to Apple's market cap of around $495 billion. Google never made any real money until they released its best-selling product, AdWords, which in a nutshell sells ad space next to related search results. Google AdWords became very popular, with thousands of companies paying money for this site to be displayed next to search results, which was both good for them because it gives them sales and for Google because it gives them lots of money. 90% of Google's revenue in 2011 was ads. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.